In this quick guide, you'll learn how to adjust spacing on Squarespace. Adjusting the spacing on your Squarespace site can really help you achieve that polished, professional look. Whether you're trying to make your content stand out or just want a more streamlined appearance, knowing how to tweak these settings is essential. So let's dive right in. First, when you're on your Squarespace site, hover over the section you want to adjust. As you move your cursor around, you'll see a pencil icon appear. Click on this icon to bring up the editing options for that section. This is your starting point for making any adjustments to spacing. Once you're in the editing mode, you'll notice a tab labeled Format. Under this tab, there's a feature called Grid Settings. This is where you'll find the Gaps toggle, an essential tool for spacing adjustments. The Gaps toggle allows you to adjust the distance between elements within your section, giving you control over how tight or loose the layout feels. There are some preset options available that make this process even simpler. You'll see 3 icons indicating different levels of spacing: tight, medium, and wide. If you prefer no spacing between your elements, choose the tight icon. For a more standard, balanced look, select the medium icon. And if you want to give your content more room to breathe, go for the wide icon. But what if these presets don't quite meet your needs? Squarespace has you covered with a custom option. Look for the 3 dots or ellipses next to the preset icons. Clicking this will allow you to manually set both the horizontal and vertical gap in pixels. This gives you the freedom to create a layout that's precisely tailored to your design vision. You can experiment with different pixel values until you find the perfect spacing for your site. Now let's talk about the fill screen toggle. This option can be a game changer for achieving the right amount of padding at the top and bottom of your section. By toggling this on or off, you can add or remove padding, which can significantly affect the overall look and feel of your page. If you're aiming for a more modern edge-to-edge design, you might want to toggle this off and remove any padding. On the other hand, leaving it on can give your content a bit more breathing room, which is great for readability. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily adjust the spacing on your Squarespace site to create a layout that looks clean and professional. Remember, the key to a successful design is often in the details, and adjusting spacing can make all the difference in how your content is perceived. Whether you're using preset spacing options or customizing them to your liking, these tools will help you achieve a polished and cohesive look. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in refining your Squarespace design. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy designing!